mommies! I just want to show, actually to share how we clean our Snug-A-Hug pillow. So, Snug-A-Hug is quite a big pillow and it's not machine washable. So, this is how huge it is. It's actually designed for pregnant women or those with problems in sleeping, because this side can help support your back while sleeping, so, or your belly if you're pregnant. So this is actually very useful even now when I'm just tired and I want to have a good nap or a good sleep. And even my husband loves this. So it's a nice pillow, but it's not machine washable. As you can see, it's very full of, I don't know what filling they have for this. So as they said in the label, not machine washable. So right there. Okay. So how do we clean this without having to put this in the laundry or hand washing? Because I believe that it will be so hard to dry this off, although not impossible. So first, the important thing about this is, number one, to keep it clean, because we use it around our bedroom, our children, and of course ourselves as well. And another thing is, we have to be able to keep the form or the shape of this pillow. Otherwise, it would not be able to perform to the utmost of its function. So what we do, so I've already stripped this down of the Snug-A-Hug pillowcase. So it's specially made for this one. I think it came with one, and then I purchased an additional for around 1,000 pesos. I can't remember. So that's number one tip. Make sure you have an extra Snug-A-Hug pillowcase just in case. Well, not actually just in case. So just so you'd be able to clean it out and then have a fresh new cover for it. But I think if you don't want to spend 1,000 pesos just for the cover, maybe what you can do is to do a hack, which I haven't tried, but I think it's completely possible, wherein you could join two pillowcases from this end and from that end. And then, I don't know, for those who are nifty with the sewing machine, you can use some pins to form it around the curves and sew a pillowcase yourself. Then make sure it joins over there. Okay, so alright, getting that out of the way. So after we have stripped the dirty pillowcase, we can put this in the washing machine. What we do, even if it had a cover before, what we do is actually to vacuum it using a mattress attachment. So I'm using the Dyson V10, with the mattress attachment. So as you can see, that's also the reason our mattress is in its bold glory right now, because I've just cleaned it. And then I'm also going to do the same with our Snug-A-Hug. Alright, so make sure your vacuum has a clean filter, has battery full, and a clean mattress attachment. So your choice if you want to use 1, 2, or the max button for this one. I'm just using 1 just so I could also save on the battery, and I think it's not as dirty, but it's your call if you want to use the maximum function. Okay, so just to show you, so lay the Snug-A-Hug on a clean surface. So actually I've already vacuumed this, but for the purpose of showing you guys, I'll do it again. Okay, so just like this. It's just a sample, so make sure you get every single crevice, okay, Why do we vacuum? First, of course, to get the dust or dust mites out of the pillow, and also because later on we will be using a steam cleaner for this. If we use the steam cleaner right away without vacuuming off all the dirt, all the probably dust mites if there are, then it would just end up in sort of a pillow mud. So just to ensure that it's extra clean, we vacuum it first. Okay? Okay, the next step I'm going to do is to use my steam cleaner. Okay, so this is a Vaporetto from Quality. I got this from Lazada, and this is actually the squeegee attachment, but if I use the towelette, it could also be used for my mattress and for pillows such as this one. Okay, so before starting, make sure that you drain this off. That you drain the Vaporette or your steam mop of extra liquid so that it won't make your pillow or your mattresses wet other than it needs to be. So we're supposed to just use the steam function for this. So just steam all around the, as you can see there. So just apply steam. So it's a bit wet. Just apply steam all around. So while you're steam cleaning this one, again, you can put this in the washer. So we vacuum and steam, especially steam to disinfect, to make sure that whatever germs or bacteria has been hiding in here is sterilized or dead. Okay. Okay, so I've already finished stripping this of the pillowcase, vacuuming using the mattress attachment, and also using the steam mop with the squeegee attachment and towelette to sterilize the pillow. So what's left is for me to let this air dry, and you can use your fan for that. You can put this out in the sun for a few minutes until you're sure that it's completely dry, and then you just use a new pillowcase, or maybe you have decided to just wash the dirty one and then also leave it out in the sun to dry, and just attach it or just put it on the Snug-A-Hug pillow, and for sure your body, your family will thank you for having a very clean pillow that's free of itchiness caused of dirt and bugs and whatnot. So I hope you were able to learn something new. If not, if you've already been doing this, let me know as well. Well, for me, the reason I've done this is just so I could also maximize our appliances like the vacuum and the steam mop. So I'm really glad that there are lots of uses for all those things. Otherwise, it would be for naught, right? All right. Thank you guys, and share with me also all your other cleaning tips or cleaning hacks. Thank you. Bye.